This is Heirloom Burgundy okra. I've been growing okra for about 3 years now. Today's November 5th. We're here in Florida and my okra plants are still producing. This plant is probably 12 feet tall. I picked this variety because the red is much healthier for you. I planted this garden bed with a mix of all of my leftover seeds. I had Seminole pumpkin, this Asian green that's a vine. I had Chinese red noodle beans, okra, a lot of brassicas, some Asian variety of amaranth, and they all did pretty good, but the okra definitely won out. I like experimenting with the genetics and I want to see just how high I can get these plants and how bushy I can make them. I like okra, but not as much as Stephanie does. We'll cook with it in a variety of different ways, mainly in eggs or mix it in a rice dish. The pigs love it though. So I will harvest one and give it to the pigs. It's kind of difficult with one hand here. There we go. You can just rip it off like this. When they get that big, they're not really meant for human consumption because they get way too woody, way too fibrous, and it's not really edible. But the pigs don't have a problem with it. Here's another one we can give to the pigs. They, I believe, are a relative of hibiscus. So they make these really pretty flowers that look like hibiscus. And then the flower becomes the fruit. Like this one here is a little bit small, but it would be good for people to eat. Chickens like them too. Again, this one's way too big to eat. See how fibrous it is. Here you go. It makes a large, pretty flower about 2 months after planting. The okra pods will be ready to pick 3 to 4 days later. And this plant seems to respond well to being harvested by just producing more and more flowers. Seems like the more you pick, the more it produces. Okra is rich in vitamins A and C as well as antioxidants. The red coloring comes from 2 antioxidants, lycopene and anthocyanins. Okra is also an excellent vegetable for diabetics as it helps to stabilize blood sugar. It also helps with digestion and boosts the immune system. Beautiful Mexican sunflower.